Hey Groovy Souls, welcome to episode 1 of Groove Map, your ultimate tour guide to discover best dance studios in your area. Today we are at Mudra in Jodhpur Park, which is creating some serious dance buzz. Let's step inside and check it out. The moment you enter, you feel so alive here. The music, the energy, the people, it's so good.
Just move your hand, this and now thirds. Okay, now from upper to right. Okay, now join your both hands.
So, here I am with Imon Roy and Prerna Gupta, the powerhouse behind this studio. So, let's hear from them what makes this place super unique and so powerful. So, hi ma'am, how did this start? Was the idea behind it?
Actually, it was a long back story. I have started learning my dance when I was 2.5. From there, the journey has started. My mom used to say, "Ki before proper working, I started learning the dance." After learning so many years, I have found there are lots of gurujis who teach us so well and who give us many platforms. They give us so many opportunities to perform and dance. But found some people who don't able to continue their journey, like after a few classes or due to some family issues, they leave their journey with dance after a certain time. And once they reach their age, like after a proper age like 30-35, they wanted to start again, but there is no scope, neither in Kolkata nor even in whole India. There is no scope to teach them or give them the opportunity to perform. Then I thought, and I had a talk with my Guruji and I had a talk with my daughter, that why we don't start a studio for those amateurs who left their dream long behind, but after a certain time now they wanted to start their journey. Even after a certain age, even they are becoming a little curvy, might be plus size, or they are crossing, even they are reaching their senior citizen age. So my Guruji said, yes, this is a very good idea, and you start it. And we have started our journey from 2019. Mudra I have opened. So from there we have started teaching plus size dancers also, and we have started teaching senior citizen also. Then we thought, why don't we give them a stage to perform, since this is a performing arts, so they should perform like us only. Initial days when we started doing the YouTube videos and all, we have heard so many bad comments that they started saying, hey, who will see their dance? They are all the curvy people, they are senior citizens, and she is not that much pretty here, why should we watch their dance? But after a certain time, we found people taking interest in there, and people started coming over to Mudra, and they are asking us to perform, to bring them on the stage. In 2023, we have performed in Thailand also. Mudra performed over there in a collaboration with my Guruji, and Mudra performed so well that we got the medal and certificates from Thailand governments, and that was a big achievement for Mudra. And we have started our journey like this. Currently, we do stage shows with many singers. We have the collaboration, we have the government shows, and many stages they are getting. And now people are more into this, and this year we have just had our 4th year annual show, and we have seen many people, they're just crying over the stage that they have reached their a certain age, and they never think that they can start their journey again. Being a 46-year woman, being it a 78-year woman, and she is dancing on the stage, people are like awestruck, and they are giving us love and blessings like anything. I think Prerna should add something more, her experience in this Mudra journey.
Okay, actually, the thought behind Mudra came purely from my mother's side. She was frustrated with her daily job, and somewhere she was a dancer, and that dancer did not evolve when she was in her childhood, and she has been through a lot of dance schools. She has been through a lot of gurujis, and they have given so much love to us. It was them who pushed us in becoming what we are today. So it is, to be honest, very much heartwarming and overwhelming whatever we have created, whatever my mother has created. To be honest, I have completely supported her, and I will obviously support her. And what I wish is, of course, for the people to support us. There is nothing called different. Everyone is equal and everyone is same. We welcome everyone. Whoever has the talent to be on stage, whoever has the love to be on stage, are welcome.
So nice. Thank you so much, ma'am. And it's a wrap for episode 1 of Group Map, where we map the city one at a time.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
And do follow YouTube channels Dance Position and Mudra.
Bye.